I asked you if I didn't take the test. Bro, I'm willing to take the test.
Unlock your fingers right
I'm willing to
unlock your fingers.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
This way.
Bro, are you serious right now?
On August 31st in Arlington Heights, Illinois, police arrested a 21-year-old man after a traffic stop where officers suspected he was driving under the influence of alcohol. During the encounter, the man allegedly resisted officers while they attempted to take him into custody. Investigators also reported that alcohol was being transported illegally in the vehicle at the time of the stop.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good. How are you doing tonight, man?
I'm doing great, yeah.
Good. Cool.
Yeah.
Do you have a driver's license and insurance?
Oh yeah, I just gotta put it up on my phone. I dropped my phone under my seat, so I gotta open the door so I can get my phone.
What? You got any guns, any weapons, any weapons of mass destruction in here? Then all right, you can grab it then. You gotta open your door though.
Yeah.
All right, you good?
I gotta get my phone. Like I said, it's under the seat.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that.
No, it's all good.
Oh, you got it?
Okay. You can go back in there.
Insurance, all that. Yeah.
So I pulled you over because you don't have your back lights on, my guy. So
back lights?
yeah, you see
Really?
that? Yeah, look at your dash right there. Turn it on to auto. Now it's gonna be on. Is that alcoholic drink or non-alcoholic right there?
What are we talking about?
That spirit.
Spirit?
One right there.
No, that's not alcoholic.
I see it.
Yeah. I think it too, cause it's for a Jeep and a Charger. It should be.
I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got tequila in it, my guy. How much were you drinking?
No, honestly, like this is old. This is like pregame.
Oh, you pregame?
Yeah,
that's
honestly.
fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many?
No, it's just one. It's just one.
That's all good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you pre-gamed a little bit, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be
I
honest.
need to make sure you're safe to bring this girl home, right? I don't know if it's a girlfriend, sister.
Girlfriend.
Well, I hope,
Sister's crazy. Yeah.
okay.
Not hear you.
So, how much did you drink?
Honestly,
Can we get you like a ride
okay.
or something? Like, what are we trying to do
No,
here?
I'm gonna be honest with you. So I had a pregame and I had like maybe like 2 Modelo's. That's it.
2 Modelo's all night.
All night. No, we got there at like 10.
You got there at 10.
She got off for work at like 7:30.
Okay.
I had to get ready.
Yeah.
And it's like a, what is it? Like 45-minute hour drive.
Okay.
Honestly, we were there for like an hour. And then we had to come back home because we gotta go to work in the morning.
3 drinks all night. That's
all
it.
All night.
Okay.
I'm telling you, we got there at 10.
You got there at 10.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
I'm saying we
But
came
it's
back
like that's like 5 hours. So you only had 3 drinks in 5 hours?
in 5 hours. Yeah.
Okay. So I got to make sure you're getting her home safe,
No,
right?
I
How
hear
do I
you.
make
Yeah,
that?
I understand
Because
that.
I can see alcohol.
Yeah,
You're
I'm
admitting
not-
you drank.
Right.
Let's step out of the car. Let's
I hear
just talk
you.
for a minute. Let's
No,
make
no,
sure
I
you're
hear
all
you.
good, all right?
No, we
You
good,
can
we
stay
good.
in there, man. It's all good.
No, I hear you.
Oh, you're doing the lean, my guy.
No, I hear you. It's because I
Let's
just
come
had,
this way.
Yeah.
Come this way. I don't want you to walk yet.
So we got
Perfect.
left foot.
Right
Then
foot.
we got. Okay, hold on. My fault. See what I mean? Like now you throwing me off because I had it. And now
But you
you-
started walking. I don't want you to start walking.
See,
yet.
that's what I mean.
I'm not trying to argue. I'm trying to get you home safe. Let's get this
No,
done,
and I'm
okay?
good. I'm telling you, but it's like you're looking for something, and I'm telling you like I had it, and now you throwing me off.
Let's start again.
And now I'm gonna be real with you. Now I'm like you got me like a little like jittery. You got me a little nervous now because you threw me off. Mind you, I did what you asked me to do, and now you're throwing me off. You feel me?
Okay, can we just start over? Let's
I
just
hear
start
you,
now.
I hear you. All right, let's
Okay.
start over then. But I'm telling you, like, I'm already a little, like, antsy, you feel me? Because you asked me to do what I already, like, did.
Hey, man.
Last thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna have you blow into this PBT,
I
okay?
get
It's
it.
just like blowing up a balloon,
I get it.
okay?
Bro. You
One
just had
strong, steady breath out.
Look, hear me out. Again, you had me do all these street tests. Now you want me to do, like, like, now you want me to blow into some shit. Be for real.
That's it. That's it, and then safe. That's
I
it.
hear you, but it's like, bro.
So one strong, steady
you
breath out.
reaching, bro. That's what I'm saying.
No.
You had me do all these tests for what? Again. Okay,
It's
okay.
just
Look.
standard procedure.
Okay, again, standard procedure. I
If you
understand
blow
that.
into this,
No.
you blow
Look, hear
low.
me out though.
Okay.
Hear me out though. I understand that. If I blow into the shit, why the you didn't have me blow into it from the start? From the start.
We can't.
From
We
the
can't.
start.
No, we can't.
Now you got me doing all this bullshit. You got me standing here for 30 minutes or for 15 minutes, bro. For what? Just to have me blow into some shit.
safe. She wants to get home safe.
I promise you, I want her to get home safe.
She's a little concerned. She's yelling.
She's not
she wants
concerned.
you to calm down.
She's not concerned.
She did ask you to calm
But
down.
I promise you, she's concerned because you f***ing with me right now. That's why she's concerned.
I'm not.
Bro, you here because you harassing me. That's why she's concerned, bro. You harassing me. And that's what that is. I promise you,
I'm
look.
not harassing you.
Bro, you are though. No. But I promise you, look, bro. I don't want no issues. I promise you I don't want no issues. But you harassing me.
That's on me.
You harassing me, and that's the issue, bro. You harassing me. I did.
Just talk.
Right or wrong, you did what you wanted me to do, bro.
I seriously thought it might
I did what you reaching, bro. You harassing me, bro. That's what you doing, bro. Fucking test, bro. Now he's fucking blowing to some shit. Be fucking real. Good.
I don't know.
You know I'm good. That's why you want me to blow into some shit, bro. Be fucking for real, bro. You fucking harassing me. That's what the fuck this is. If you want to fucking lawsuit, you gonna get it.
You want to blow into this?
Okay, look.
No?
Tell me, bro. Tell me if I don't blow it, be the consequences. Tell me right now. No, and I want to take it home.
If you're good to go.
And I want to take it home. And did I right or wrong? Or no?
You did. You were compliant.
Did I complete it?
That helps.
Did I complete it right or wrong?
You did.
Did I ace it? Did I complete it right or wrong?
You completed, yes.
Okay, so why the f*** want me to blow into that shit?
Safe. And nowadays that everything's recorded, that's what we have to do.
Bro, I've been together with her since out for 4 years.
I can't force you to.
You don't think I want to get her home?
Do you want to blow or no? Do you want to blow into this or no?
Again, what are the consequences if I don't blow into it?
Then we just have to make the determination on
Going to it, I go home, right or wrong? Yes or no?
You are going home, yes.
Wait,
is your license fine? You're going home.
My license is fine.
So you're going home tonight.
My license is fine, but
I can guarantee that.
I promise you, like I'm being harassed, so I don't want to blow into it.
You don't want to blow into it. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the car. Do you want to blow into it?
No, again.
I can't force you to.
No, again. But let me ask you this: if I blow into it or if I don't, what are the consequences? So let's say hypothetically, I don't blow into it. You gonna take me to jail? You gonna arrest me for that shit?
No, I can't guarantee that. I'm not gonna even say that because then that's gonna persuade you one way or the other. I'm getting you home safe.
You see what
that's
I mean?
my goal.
That's what I mean. You gaslighting, bro.
So do you not want to blow into it?
All right, bro. If I don't blow into it, what's the consequences? That's what I'm asking you.
I can't.
No,
I can't threaten you with it.
That's the law, bro. That's the law, bro. That's the law. You don't understand. I'm not a goofy, bro. I'm not a goofy.
I'm not saying you're a goofy.
You gonna have to tell me the consequences. If I'm doing wrong, you gonna have to tell me.
Do you want to blow into it or not?
Oh my god, bro. Again, if I'm doing wrong, what are the consequences?
Everyone's going home today.
Everybody's going home today.
Yeah.
So I don't want to blow into it. Because I'm going home today.
Okay,
I don't want to blow into it. Again,
fine.
I did your test, bro. I aced it. You said I aced it, bro.
Yeah.
I'm good to go. So what the f*** am I still here for?
No, that's fine.
Realistically, bro. Please, we going to Buffalo Grove. We about 5 minutes out.
Okay, put your hands behind your back, guy. You're under arrest.
Really, bro?
Yeah,
Again, I'll take the test.
Go against the car. Go against. Turn
Bro,
around.
you didn't tell me, bro. Again, like that's some bullshit, bro. What do you mean? I'll take the test, bro. Again, you didn't tell me, bro. Again,
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Buddy,
but again,
we got 3 guys. We don't want to do anything
I'll take
wrong.
the test. Again, you didn't bro. You didn't.
You'll have the opportunity to blow back at the station.
No.
Back at the station, you will have the opportunity to blow.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm trying to take my girlfriend home. Look, again, I asked you right around 3 times. I asked you. No, and look, and I don't want no issues, bro.
You're gonna get taken to the ground if you don't. I'm gonna take you to the ground.
And I'll go to the ground, bro. I'm telling you. All right, I'm good. Look, again.
Get to the ground.
I'm telling you, bro, ain't no issue. But I'm asking you, why the fuck are you taking me in? I asked you if I didn't take the test. Bro, I'm willing to take the test.
Unlock your fingers right now.
I'm willing
Unlock your fingers.
Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
This way.
Bro, are you serious right now? I'm finna take it, bro. Are you
Unlock.
serious? Are you serious right now, bro?
Got it?
Are you dead ass? Are you dead ass right now, bro? I literally fucking asked you.
Center
You
for
talking
16,
about
one
you
custody.
about it. Like I'm literally sitting here telling you I'm finna take it, and you finna take me to jail. And you telling me you're not finna take me to jail? Fuck, bro, I promise you, grind me fuck. I dead ass you, bro. And you telling me you can't tell me.
Okay.
Like, nigga,
Buddy.
like, you grimy, bro. I'm dead asking you.
Just breathe.
No,
Sit up. We're gonna sit you up. We're gonna sit you up.
Bro, and I ain't resisting. Bro, I'm telling you, grimy, bro. I'm dead asking you, like, what are the consequences? And you telling me, like, you can't
And I
tell
said
me.
I couldn't threaten you. And I didn't.
And right.
Get up on one knee.
And I'm telling you what. Hey, look. I'm telling you, like.
We're going here. First car.
And I hear you, but they
First
too
car.
tight. They too tight, though.
Well, you did
They too
that.
tight. I didn't do that. You did that. Right around. You did that. Who got the power to tie them up? Who got the power to tie them up? You got the power to tie them up. So they too tight. I promise I don't got shit.
Hey man, relax. He can fix the cuffs. You just gotta get a search.
Yeah, and I understand. But I'm telling you, I asked them, what are the consequences of me not doing it? And mind you, I did them. I asked them.
Quit coming off the car.
No.
Don't. He's not.
Look, bro.
Mule kick you.
Look, bro.
Elbow. Are you searched?
Yes, you having an ego. You having an ego trip.
We're not, man. We
And
just gotta be safe.
You having an ego
Can't do
trip.
that, man.
You
Hey,
having
have a
an ego
seat.
trip.
Have a seat.
Nigga, why you grabbing like that?
Please have a seat.
Nigga, why you grabbing like that?
Have a seat in the
Cause
car.
you's a
Because
that's
you're
how
coming
you
off the car.
No, I'm not.
Have a
You's
seat.
a
Head.
he said I was good and you grabbed me, nigga. You's a what's your name? What's your name? What's your name, nigga? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your
Buddy,
name?
you're gonna hurt yourself.
I don't give no
Trying to be as nice as I
nigga,
can.
what's your name? What's your name, nigga? You's a hoe.
He's going to the ground.
You's a hoe, nigga. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name, nigga? You's a hoe, bro. You's a nigga. What's your badge number?
It'll be on your arrest
I don't get no nigga. What's your badge number, nigga?
It'll be on your arrest report.
What's your badge number, nigga?
Wait, hold on.
You's a fucking hoe,
Click him
nigga.
so he's stuck in there.
What's your badge number, nigga? You's a fucking hoe. Yeah, good luck, nigga. What's your badge number, nigga? Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. What's your badge number, nigga? What's your badge number, nigga? You's a nigga. You's a
Good.
The 21-year-old suspect was charged with driving under the influence of alcohol, driving with a blood alcohol level over the legal limit, resisting a peace officer, and illegal transportation of alcohol. After the arrest, he was released from custody and assigned a court date of September 18th. The charges remain allegations as the case moves through the court process. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.